Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous video, we are discussing about present tense, and in today's video, we are talking about past tense. So without wasting any time, let's get started the video. In past tense, we have four types: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. So first, we will discuss about simple past tense, that is also called past indefinite tense. The second form of the verb is simple past, as we also known as I walked fast, she walked fast. The negative is formed with did not, and the first form of the verb as I did not walk fast, she did not walk fast. The interrogative is formed by using the helping verb did before the subject and the first form of the verb as did I walk fast? Did she walk fast? Uses of simple past tense to indicate an action that took place at a particular time in the past, as I revised my lesson yesterday. To express a habitual action in the past, as we usually work in the evening. Past continuous tense. The form of the verb in the past continuous tense is was, were, present participle. In past continuous tense, there are three types: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. In affirmative, I was running, we were running, he was running, they were running. In negative, I was not running, we were not running, he was not running, they were not running. In interrogative, was I running? Were we running? Was he running? Were they running? Uses of the past continuous tense. Past continuous tenses is used to express an action that was going on at some time. The past is the boys were flying kites. He was reading when I cancelled on him. In past perfect tense, the form of the verb, the past perfect tense is had, past participle. In past perfect tense, these are three types: affirmative, negative, and interrogative. In affirmative, he had visited Mumbai before. In negative, he had never visited Mumbai before. Interrogative, had he visited Mumbai before? Uses of the past perfect tenses. These tenses is used to denote an action which had been completed before another action was begun, as the train had left when we reached the station. Had he left the office when you arrived? In past perfect continuous tenses, the form of the verb in these sentences is had been, present participle. In present perfect continuous tenses, there are three types: affirmative, negative, interrogative. In affirmative, he had been living in Agra for 25 years. In negative, he had not been living in Agra for 25 years. In interrogative, had he been living in Agra for 25 years. Uses of the past perfect continuous tenses. It is used to denote an action that had been going on at or before some point of time in the past. I had been living in Mangalore for 10 years before I came to Chandigarh. We had been playing cricket for 2 hours when it started raining.